2024 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XSE, Facelift, Review. The 2024 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XSE has a 12 to 24 month waitlist, but it's arguably worth the wait being so compelling. Is the 2024 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid just a huge waste of time? That's a question those who have placed a deposit and are playing the 12 to 24 month, yes, 2 years, waiting game right now might be thinking. But the reality is, even almost 5 years after it launched way back in 2019, the RAV4 remains a benchmark of the compact SUV segment. That doesn't mean great alternatives don't exist that are relatively readily available, like the new Honda CR-V Hybrid and the more affordable Haval H6 Hybrid. To make the offer even more compelling, Toyota have introduced a somewhat sneaky facelift, with minor revisions to make the RAV4 even better without rocking the boat. So today, we'll answer the question, should you buy and wait for the RAV4? How much does the RAV4 Hybrid cost? Nothing is cheap these days, it seems, and while it would be hard to argue the RAV4 is cheap, it certainly packs a lot of value. Today, we're testing the XSE Hybrid 2WD, which is the newest grade to the RAV4 arsenal and is aimed at providing the hybrid tech at a lower price point than the hotly in-demand higher-spec cruiser and edge grades. Pricing for the Toyota RAV4 varies across its range, offering options for both traditional and hybrid powertrains and two-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations. Here's a breakdown of the RAV4 lineup with their respective prices, not including on-road costs. 2024 Toyota RAV4 GX 2WD, $39,760. 2024 Toyota RAV4 GX 2WD Hybrid, $42,260. 2024 Toyota RAV4 GX AWD Hybrid, $45,260. 2024 Toyota RAV4 GXL 2WD, $43,310. 2024 Toyota RAV4 GXL 2WD Hybrid, $45,810. 2024 Toyota RAV4 GXL AWD Hybrid, $48,810. 2024 Toyota RAV4 XSE 2WD Hybrid, $49,585. 2024 Toyota RAV4 XSE AWD Hybrid, $52,585. 2024 Toyota RAV4 2WD Cruiser, $48,910. 2024 Toyota RAV4 Cruiser 2WD Hybrid, $51,410. 2024 Toyota RAV4 Cruiser AWD Hybrid, $54,410. 2024 Toyota RAV4 Edge AWD, $56,230. 2024 Toyota RAV4 Edge AWD Hybrid, $58,360. What's the interior and tech like of the RAV4 Hybrid? Stepping into the interior, and it's easy to see why the RAV4 is so damn popular.